Welcome down to Volkswagen's Van Centre in Liverpool, where I am joined by Chris, aka California Chris. So thanks very much for joining us.
No problems at all.
Ahead of our open day or our California event on the 21st of March. So first of all, Chris, could you tell us a little bit about the event and what to expect?
Yep, so it's an open day effectively, so an open day for the dealership, but it's predominantly for California. So we're going to have the whole range of T7s here. So we'll have the ocean, coast and beach vehicles. We'll have the Grand California as well. We're going to have some set up in the showroom,
Nice.
so we can see those in here. We're going to do some live demonstrations. We're going to have the Grands outside as well. We're going to have some accessories and things like that, so you can get to see how they are when you're actually camping in them as well, and trying to give you a good feel for that as well. So I said we're going to do some live demonstrations. We're going to do some Q&A sessions as well. So we've got questions and queries and things like that. We'll get into all that while we're here as well. We're going to have the workshop open. Should have a vehicle on the ramp, so we can get an idea, have a quick look underneath it and things like that as well. So a bit of a meet and greet, open day, have a look at the vehicles, all that good stuff. Really.
Perfect. Yeah, no, that sounds great. And so what time is on the Saturday is that going to be happening?
Okay, so we're starting 10 till 2. We have got a website that you can go on and register your interest. The only reason for that is really just to give us an idea how many people are actually coming. So we've got an idea on parking spaces and things like that, which would be good. That's in there. So yeah, so it's 10 till 2 on the Saturday the 21st.
Perfect. Okay. And then who's it for? So is it for people that are looking to buy? Is it people who have bought, or is it for just people who are interested in Californias in general, really?
You've hit the nail on the head there. It's for everyone. So if you own a California, if you've got a T5, a T6, T6.1, a T7, if you're interested in buying one, you want to come down and have a look. If you want to come and say hello to me and the rest of the team and ask us some questions and queries, it's perfect for you as well. So for any of those reasons, really, you want to come and have a look at the dealership. If you want to come and look at anything else that you've seen that you might have picked up at some point, just come down and see us. We're all a friendly bunch. We're going to be here, as I said, the day on the 21st. And it's just about coming and having a look. So
perfect. That's great. Okay. So thanks very much for joining us, Chris. So don't forget that is on the 21st of March. And as Chris mentioned, there is going to be a link just to register your interest, because we're expecting quite a few people down. So we want to make sure we can try and accommodate as many people as possible. So Chris, we will see you on the 21st, and we hope to see everybody else there too.